And this heat pump is under 10 years old for sure. But guys, on top of replacing the compressor and the filter dryer inside, we replaced the cap and we installed the hard start kit. Now guys, hard start kits, typically if the unit doesn't already have one, it's recommended to install hard start kits on compressors past 5 years old. Hard start kits help with start assist, especially guys as compressors age. Lock rotor amps could go up and eventually this could cause issues with the compressor starting. Hard start kits here allows for smooth start assist, so this lowers the chances of the compressor drawing excessive current on startup and eventually tripping the breakers. Make sense? All right guys, what I'm gonna do, it doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna clean the webbing that I could see.